To calculate pips on Tradingview. So this is the unit used in forex trading to measure the change in value between two prices of a currency pair. So let's say for most currency pairs, 1 pip equals to 0.0001, while pairs that include the Japanese yen, so just for example, use 0.01 as 1 pip. So calculating these pips will help traders measure the profit, and even though TradingView already does it automatically, you should be able to have the manual option for some reason if you want to. So before that, to calculate the pips on TradingView, you can open a forex chart and select the price range. So you can choose either a long or short position, and then with that you can click on the starting price and drag the ending price to measure the movement. With that, TradingView will automatically show the price change and even the number of pips moved. But if you want to manually do this, you can calculate the pips by subtracting the entry price from the exit price and then dividing by the pip value, which is 0.0001 for most pairs. So it will make it easy to estimate potential profits or losses before entering a trade. So that is the manual method. It's basic math, just again the entry, so the entry price from the exit price. So you have the exit price minus the entry price and then dividing the pip value, which is 0.0001. So hopefully this will help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.